Hey there, this is Stacy with WTI. No, this is not my corn. However, I love feeding our neighborhood squirrels, especially as it starts to get to be cooler weather. So I love using this corn, and this is from Morning Song. Each of the corn cobs that come in the bag are a freeze-dried corn, but don't be fooled. It doesn't matter to the squirrels. They will absolutely love it. You want to use this with a stake feeder, or if you have a hanging feeder, then you just place the corn inside of it. Within a day or two, they will have completely shaved this off. So you definitely want to use it with something that will hold on to the corn. Otherwise, the squirrels, they will take this away to their family and share it with them. The corn smells and has the feel of natural corn because that's exactly what it is. You do want to keep your hands clean after using it. But if you're into giving your neighborhood squirrels a treat, it's great for your inside pets to be able to watch them and watch them go after this corn. I would definitely recommend buying this and using it if you like to feed your outside squirrels, but that's just my point of view.